I've lived, all right. Where has it got me? To a camp in Africa with you. My rich, beautiful wife. Before you, how many others? That's traveling alone in a pig's eye.
Well, have it your way, Harry. I'm going to shoot some game. The larder's almost empty. I'll change into my boots and call Molo.
Helen, you shouldn't pay any attention to me, really, darling. I love you, you know. Why, I've never loved anyone the way I loved you.
I won't take any more, darling.
Well, before you go, come here. Give me a kiss. And read me this.
Harry! Why do you have to turn into a devil?
Because if I can't die happy, I can try to die delirious.
How can I help you if you won't help yourself?
By going to sleep? No, thank you. There'll be plenty of that soon enough. The time I've got left, I've got plenty to think about.
Well, I'll leave you to your thoughts. Only this time, try to get some of them straight.
Just go do your killing. That's what we're good at, both of us.
Abdullah!
Abdullah!
Get out to Springfield!
Get out to Springfield!
And the solids!
And the solids!
Servir. Ah oui, oh, ça me fait plaisir de vous.
Ça va.
Ah, vous voyez.
Bonsoir. Comment ça va?
Sort bien. Et quel est votre désir?
In English, that's quite a question. Une fine.
Une fine.
Now, from other sources. Hi, Compton.
Harry, how's the book?
How's anybody's book? It isn't finished.
Hard of you to quit your job to do it.
Look, do you mind if I cut
Forage for yourself, chum.
Oh, Harry, you don't stay?
Well, it's a case of avoiding a broken nose, Emil. Mine or old Compton's. Because a laugh like hers would just have to lead it to a lousy fight. Bonsoir.
kinds. I'm Cynthia Green.
Sin, that's nice. When did you come in?
No, minutes ago.
I'll be hanged.
The latest thing from home.
I'm,
Harry Street, Chicago Tribune, and you're right.
ex-Chicago Tribune. And I'm trying to write.
Well, they're telling it the other way. Do you mind?
Well, everybody's trying something over here. Or at least trying to try. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to paint?
No, I'm not trying to paint.
Are you trying to sculpt?
No, I'm not trying to sculpt.
Well, then you must be trying to write, too.
No, I'm only trying to be happy.
Well, everybody's trying something.
I'll bet I'm the only person in the whole darn place who's only trying to be happy. You'd better take this from me. I sometimes drink too much.
Anything's fair in the pursuit of happiness.
Oh, I'm not completely idle. I pose sometimes.
In what my maiden aunt calls the altogether.
Sometimes.
Well, we all have to make our way with whatever we were given.
Oh, hasn't that African got any piety at all?
Remembering my manners. Are you Compton's lady?
No. I'm not particularly Compton's lady. I'm not Compton's lady at all. I'm my own lady.
Well, and how would you like it if you and I would just piety right out of here?
I expect I'd like it very much. My father was a soldier. He had the bad luck to get himself killed in the Argonne. So, after the war, I came over to take him home to rest. But once I saw France, I decided that this is as good a place to rest as any. For him and for myself, so I stayed on.
No mother?
No, not for years.
I see. Well, where should we go and rest right now? Would you like to go and rest on another bar? Have another drink?
No, I'm afraid I've gone and had too many again.
You know, in Paris, nobody ever thinks of suggesting just going home to rest.
May I have a cigarette?
Conceivably picture yourself as Harry's lady.
Will you be kind to me? I think I'm a little afraid of you.